Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to turn off keyboard sound provides greater control over your device audio settings, allowing you to tailor the typing experience to your personal preferences and the requirements of different situations. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select sounds and vibration menu. And then look for system sound. Tap on it. Okay, so here simply turn this toggle off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.